Hi guys, it's Elite here, welcome to my channel. Today I am introducing you new kinds of videos that I am planning to make, which is process videos with some talking in the background. The reason I am doing this is only because I removed my matte screen protector, so my screen doesn't make those satisfying scratching sounds anymore. I am going to apply it again though, but it just doesn't scratch. I couldn't do any scratching in this video. By the way, I was recording this video like 30 minutes before I had to leave for my plane because I was going to the Netherlands. But anyway, it's not important. So I'm going to talk about Bella Poarch, and there's no way. Again, I'm saying it the right way. I'm saying it the wrong way for sure. I can bet like $100. But let's say it's Bella Poarch. And I wanted to talk about why she deserves to be famous. And I know this is again a little bit controversial. Because everyone says that she became so famous by just doing the head dance, which doesn't require any skills. I mean, it does require some kind of weird skill. You don't really have name for it, but it's not really like a big talent, that's for sure. It's not really a talent, and people don't have respect for this kind of skill or this kind of creativity. But I am angry because people are hating her only because she's pretty. If it was some kind of different content creator that also made really easy videos, and this content creator would be like ugly and would become really famous, people would not get so mad. And maybe they would not get so famous because they are not pretty, which is not true. It's not true, because there are a lot of ugly, just not the prettiest people that become famous for stupid things. But people don't hate on them. People hate on the pretty people, you know. And I don't want to victimize pretty people, although the things that people are saying about Bella Poarch, it's actually really freaking mean, and I can't even imagine. Maybe she doesn't care. But think about someone that also became famous and wasn't so pretty and didn't get hate for it. The yodeling boy that was so famous, he became so incredibly famous for one video. Or this Rosa character that played by this person, and yeah, they were making really amazing videos. Like, it was really funny with this dude, come here. I really can't do this. Oh my god, I'm so bad. And all those people, they also deserved their fame, but so did she. Like, she just made something that was enjoyable for people to watch, and that's all you need to do. It's luck though. It's, of course, there's a lot of luck in everyone's success, but it doesn't mean she doesn't deserve it. I really genuinely enjoy looking at her moving her head around and doing those cartoonish faces, because it's about a face. And believe me, you think it's so easy, but actually if you try to do the same thing in a camera, you will look like a complete idiot. I'm not saying I tried, but I'm not denying that I tried. So you should try too, and maybe you will have a little bit more respect for this, because things like this, how smooth it is on her videos, I really think that it's made to look effortless, but it actually takes like 1,000 tries to get it like this. I don't know, but I think. And I just have this thing that I respect every content creator, like anyone. I won't hate on anyone unless they are hateful. you know. But she's so unproblematic, and I just can't accept the fact that people hate her so much. Oh, and I'm not going to say anything about the tattoo because I'm not going to defend her. I'm not going to bash on her because it's basically, yeah, if you want to know, just do your own research. I have no opinion about it because I'm not Korean and it's not really my place, I guess, to say it's wrong or it's not wrong, so I'm just leaving it. But anyway, I'm really curious, what do you think about Bella Poarch, and do you enjoy her videos? Because my boyfriend hates watching her head bump up and down with his whole heart, and I don't get it. How can you hate it? Like, I get if it shows a lot in your explore page on Instagram, but how can you hate someone for this? Like, you can hate Instagram but not someone, right? So yeah, my boyfriend has to learn some human decency, like some of people that hate on her too. And what do you think? And what did you think the first time you saw her videos? And if you tried doing one of those crazy head bumping videos like her, because I tried, alright. I did a few tries and I need to say it does become easier every time, but you still look like an idiot. Like, it's really difficult. You need to try if you want to see how difficult it is actually. Although it's also a really stupid thing to do in your free time. Yeah, it's actually like if someone walks into your room doing that, you have a lot of explaining to do. Oh, and one shocking thing about her is that she was in the Navy, and it's like literally the last person everyone would expect to be in the Navy, because she just looks like this little soft girl that, I don't know, for sure would not be in the Navy. But yeah, I guess it happened, and I'm really curious to hear her story because she left it pretty early from what I know. So yeah, that would be interesting. Maybe she will probably create a career out of it. You would have to be stupid to not do it. Like, you get such an opportunity. Like, how many million subscribers, I mean followers, does she have on TikTok? Like 20, 30 million now? I guess so. And if you, whatever you think, deserved or not deserved, you would be stupid to not do anything with it. And I know that people will hate her when she becomes, for example, a big YouTuber or a singer, because she can sing really pretty. Beginning from these stupid head bumping videos, everyone will hate on her, like that she became famous for something so stupid. But everyone would do it if they were in her place. And it would actually be stupid to not do it and not use this opportunity. So yeah, it's really annoying when people do it. They hate you for doing something that they would do in your situation. And this is one of people that I hate the most, actually. But anyway, I don't want it to be a negative video. I am curious what she is going to do with her opportunity. I am curious about maybe her YouTube videos. And before this video ends, I just wanted to say, people that are curious about these brushes that I am using right here, that those are the brushes I just recently finished making, and I added most of them into the cartoonish makeup brush set. And if you have it already, you just update it by downloading the link from your email that you already used for your first download. You can like update your brushes for the end, till the end of your life. So don't worry, you can just update it. Otherwise, just send an email through contact me page on my website, literatureprince.com. So thank you guys for watching. Tell me who to draw next or what to talk about next. I know this wasn't really a drawing theme, but I was drawing Bella Poarch, so I thought maybe I'll just share with you my opinions in this situation. So yeah, I hope it was interesting for you to listen, and yeah, just let me know your opinions about Bella Poarch, about this kind of videos, about maybe how can I make these videos more interesting, and what did you like about it, what didn't you like about it, and yeah, just help me out a little bit, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, that's it, that's the final piece. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.